If you're wondering, is my child ready to start piano lessons? You are not alone. This is one of the most common questions that I get from parents. And today I'm going to walk you through the best age to begin, how to know if your child is truly ready, and why this season might be the perfect time to start learning piano at home, even if you've never played a note yourself. My name is Miss Diana, and I'm a Christian piano teacher and educator with over 20 years of experience. I specialize in helping beginners fall in love with piano from the very first class, and my heart is to make learning fun, encouraging, and accessible for families. These videos are here to educate, equip, and encourage parents because piano isn't just a lesson for your child, it's a journey you take together. What's the right age? Let's start with the short answer. Most kids are ready to begin piano around ages 6 to 8. But readiness has less to do with age and more to do with a few key signs we'll talk about in a minute. What I want you to know is this: you don't have to start super early for your child to succeed. And later doesn't mean you've missed the window. In fact, many of my most focused and confident students started at 8, 9, or even 10 and thrived, including yours truly. I didn't start piano until 11, but this wasn't my first introduction to music either. We'll talk more about that in a moment. How to know if they're ready. Here are a few simple signs that your child is likely ready for piano. Number 1, they can focus for about 10 to 15 minutes at a time. This might look like solo play, watching a show, or engaging in some type of activity. Number 2, they recognize the letters A through G. Number 3, they can follow 2 to 3 step instructions. Number 4, they have decent finger strength or motor skills, fine motor we say, like opening snacks or playing with Legos. And then they show a desire for instruments and music. These are great readiness cues. And listen, you don't need them all checked off to perfectly, okay, by any means. But if a few of these sound like your child, you're probably in a great spot to begin. What about younger kids? So what if your child is younger than 6? That's okay. You don't need to rush. This is a great time to simply let them explore music through play. You can sing together, clap rhythms, do finger plays, or let them experiment on a toy keyboard. Something simple my family used to do. They'd put on music. My parents would put on music every Saturday evening, and we'd dance around the house as a family. Not only is this a core memory I hold near to my heart, but it's also instilled different elements in me from the beginning, such as different rhythm patterns and beat. Because since music is a series of patterns, the more your child is exposed to music early on, the more they're able to recognize those patterns later on in their journey. There's also a wonderful program by the name of Music Garden, which I was trained in a few years back, and the program begins from babies on up. I'll include their link down in the show notes below in the description box so that you can actually look to see if there's a location near you. Their experiences are powerful, and it lays the groundwork for future lessons when the time is right. Why ages 8 to 12 are a sweet spot? Now, if your child is between 8 and 12, this is one of my favorite ages to begin piano. At this stage, kids are more independent. They understand instructions more easily, and they're ready to follow a structured path without needing constant reminders. That's why I designed a self-paced piano course specifically for this age range, so they can learn step by step, rewind when they need to, and go at their own rhythm. No pressure, no rush, just real progress at a pace that fits your family. Now, my heart as a Christian teacher is that I believe music truly is a gift, and every child deserves to feel seen, loved, and capable as they learn. That first experience with piano can shape how a child sees themselves. And that's why I teach with encouragement first. My lessons are about more than music. They're about building confidence, nurturing creativity, and helping your child feel proud of what they're learning one step at a time. So if your child is between the ages 8 and 12, and you're ready to start piano in a way that's simple, joyful, and structured, I'd be honored to be their instructor as they begin this beautiful journey. You can find a link to my self-paced piano course for beginners. It's titled Easy Beginning Piano in the description box below. And to help you get started, I've included a $20 discount code just for my YouTube viewers that you can find down in the description with that. Thank you so much for being here and for investing in your child's creativity, confidence, and growth. If this video encouraged you, I'd love for you to like and subscribe so you don't miss more piano tips, parent support, and faith-filled encouragement for your child's journey ahead. You're not just signing your child up for music lessons, you're helping them step into their God-given creativity and confidence. I hope this gave you the clarity and peace that you needed to take that next step, and I'd be honored to walk that with you. Have a wonderful rest of your day. See you next time.